Hello, boys and girls. Here is your graphic organizer for your assignment about the 5 W's, the who, what, where, when, and why of a story. So you are going to complete this graphic organizer on a separate piece of paper in your journal, and you will be uploading a picture of that. This template right here is for you to see what it should look like. So on the first line of your journal, you're going to answer the who. Who are the main characters talked about in the story? You're going to go what. And remember to look back at your Good Readers Ask Questions 5W's page. The what is asking, what is the issue? What is the problem in the story? So for what, you're asking, what's the problem? And then you're answering, when did it start happening? Okay, when did the problem become a problem? When did they realize that something was wrong? Okay, and then the where, that's where the story took place. And then the why. And make sure you look back. Why does it happen? Why does the problem become a problem? And kind of how do they solve it? Right? How do they make it better? How do they kind of make the situation and make it to the best that it can be? Okay? So think about those who, what, when, where, and why. Make sure you look at the graphic organizer that I have flipped back to a lot. So that's always something you can take a look at if you forget kind of what you're supposed to write about with the who, what, where, when, why. You're going to be writing one sentence for each thing. So it can be a quick sentence. Okay, who? The characters are Charlie and his sister. Okay, what? And then you go on from there. One sentence for each little W, the who, what, when, where, why. So go ahead and complete that. And remember, you're completing it on a separate journal page and you're uploading a picture. Okay? Don't try to write on this little template. This is just here for you to see what your journal page should look like.